Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday. Okay, so I am up at the lake. You can tell my setup is a little bit different. You might be, I don't know if you're further. Maybe you're further from the counter. I can't remember. Anyway, because you're up on a shelf here. So we're actually going to do a paper pumpkin alternative today. And some of you are like, oh, seriously, mine haven't even arrived yet. I know. I can't change that. But I'll give you an idea for something you can do when your new one comes. So if you missed it, this is this month's paper pumpkin kit. You make 12 cards, so you get 4 of each design. And what I decided to do was I actually took this card base here, okay? So this is where we're kind of pulling bits from. Now, if I had the card base still assembled, let me show you. It is, hello, Susan. It is this DSP on the front, and then it's got the terracotta tile on the back. Does that make sense? So I chopped it in half. I'm using this piece here, which is a 4 by 5 1/4. I just grabbed a Whisper White card base, okay? And then I took the front half, cut it in half. So it's, each half was 2 3/4. And then I just used my stitched shape rectangle die. Pulled that one out. Okay, so we're going to use that. Now, other than that, I have nothing else designed. Hi, Sharon. Yeah, the ride wasn't that bad. A little bit rough at the top of the Coquihalla, but other than that, we were okay. Now, this is one of the pieces from the page. Yes, I just cut it off, okay? So I'm going to use this. And I was just kind of trying to figure out my layout. So that's where we're going with this. But I feel like I want to emboss this background first. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You ready? I have to remind myself how far away I am. Just a second, I'm going to do one thing because this is making me crazy and this is making me crazy. There we go. I'm super far from my table when I'm here because the way that the camera sits, I'm a little bit kind of more over the edge. But you get a better big shot view. You're not so close. Love it. Okay, peeps. So let's pull that out. Now what we're going to do is I've actually grabbed my eyelet embossing folder. I wanted a little bit of texture. Now I knew which I wanted to use one of my leaves one, but I don't have it here at the lake, so I have to just make do. We're going to put that on there. Okay, hello Donna, hello Susan, hello from Berwick, PA, Chris. Stick that one in there. Let's crank it. Do. I need my muscles. Hi, Jane. Okay. Well, that was cute. Love it. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this technique, but you can actually do something really cool. Once you've embossed, I don't know if I want to do it on this because what if it doesn't turn out? You can actually sand. Should we just try it? We're going to try it right in this side over here. Yeah, look at this because I can hide it. But I don't know if you can see that. You can actually sand off the color from where you kind of have done your embossing. It's super cute. It's a fun technique, especially if you want your pattern to show a little bit more. Oh, somebody said hi, lady, and I don't know who you are. Hello, Denise. Hi, Laura. Hi, James. Okay, so let's put that away. So as I said, this is not going to be a complicated card. I just desperately wanted to get on. I've been doing a ton of business stuff today. So my plan, tell me what you think. This guy is the stitched shape rectangle. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I'll hold it still. Try not to wiggle around. Now go back down and allow it to focus. So I'm thinking him here. I'm thinking this one here. My sanding folder can go away. And then I want to play with some of those flowers again, like they did. Okay, we do have a little bit of gold left. I'm not sure if I want to use it. We'll see. We have got this, those were our sentiments, okay? And I'm trying to see. I know I have one more sheet. Oh, there it is. I've got another sheet where I can stamp some sentiments. So we'll use that too, okay? So what do I need? What do we need? Who knows? Oh, boy. You know what I just realized I don't see? I do not see my Stampin' Scrub. Panicking a little bit because I'm not sure where it would be. I did not eat it. Okay, it'll show up. I'll use it after. Let's grab some snail. Where are all my things? There they are. I'm totally panicking. I haven't been here in so long that I've totally forgotten where I've got stuff. Hello there, Debbie. Hi, Steph Mulder. Who is that? Someone asked if I'm up at the lake. Yes, I'm up at the lake. We got here yesterday. A little bit of a gong show. The highway was a little bit hairy. Oh, hey, some advice. If you're ever putting snail on the back of something that's embossed or on the back of foil paper, you will find that it doesn't adhere or it doesn't catch sometimes quite as well. So I find if I start flat and then tip up, I can make it adhere a bit better. Does that make sense? Are you all decorated for Christmas? We are. Don't laugh. Okay, so Chris, you'll get a kick out of this. We came up for Oh, it does look good? Okay. We came up for Remembrance Day. And my mom and dad are living in my cabin right now until their house is ready, which is getting, it's getting very close. But we set up for Christmas then because I didn't want to have to do it when I got here on December 21st. So yes, my parents have been living Christmas since November the 11th. Okay, next thing we need. I feel like I want this guy on a dimensional. Does anybody object? Good. Because if you did, tough beans. We're still doing it. Now, I thought I had some dimensionals out, but, apparently not. Who knows? I just have mess. Which embossing folder? Jame, that is your eyelet embossing folder. So cute. So yeah, Chris, I walked in to a like it was just done. Are you off from teaching this week? Yes, I actually am off for 2 weeks. I don't go back until January the 6th. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. I'm a little bit lost. It always takes me a few days to kind of come back down to earth. Okay, so we're going to go in here and we're going to put this one just about there. I love the colors in this. Okay. I love the mix with the terracotta tile. It really zhuzhes it up, yes? Okay, so now we're going to take this sticker. Now, with this sticker, I am going to do one thing. I'm going to pop one dimensional right at this edge, yes? Okay, now I'm going to put my finger on it so I know where it is. And I'm going to kind of slide this. We're going to put you down on there. That way, that circle will stay at the same height. Hello, core. That circle will stay at the same height as the panel that I already stuck on, okay? So we've got that much done. Okay, now I don't want to lose these because I do have the super cute little, these are the rhinestones. They look like, they remind me of the champagne. Oh, Susan, I intend to do nothing else. Like, well, I mean, we're going to go see Star Wars tomorrow. Does that count? Yes, we'll go see Star Wars and then I am crafting like a crazy person. Okay, so I think what I would like to do here, I really like these flowers. I want the two different flowers though. So I'm going to use one of each of these. I'm going to pop them up on dimensionals. Why? Because I can. And I don't care how thick my card is. I'll just give this to someone local if it gets too thick. Okay, we're trying to decide where we want them. I think I'm going to put the sentiment down lower. Okay, so we're going to bring you in up here. And then I'll take this one and we'll overlap him. Okay, so we're only going to stick maybe one in the middle of that one because then I can get it in where I want it. Ta-da. Let's put you down here. Okay, now I feel like we should choose a sentiment at this point just so we can, and we have to decide whether we're going to use, are you ready people? You're going to have to make this decision. I'll touch this kid, I think Christmas Day. Oh yes, girl. Okay, so we can use that one. I feel like it could be a little bit big. Okay, or we can use, okay, more to my liking. But again, I feel like I didn't maybe place these perfectly. We're going to peel up just a sec. I want them. What do you think about that? Here, we're playing. Okay, guys, you have to voice opinions here though, because I have no brain. I think we'll go like this. We'll put that leaf there. Okay, I like this one. I feel like this one was it was not the right look. Yes, would you agree? We're going with the flowers. Now the other one we could have done this one. But is this one's pretty? Oh, it's not bad either. Okay, so you guys, I'm down to these two. Can you pick? So we either want the square edge one or the flagged edge one. So pick one of those. We'll stamp them both at the same time. Okay, so we've got those. Oh, super fun when I create on the go. Fun for you guys as you're like, what's the weirdo doing now? Okay, so next thing we need, I need a clear block. Let's find one of those. Huh, crazy concept. We are going to do, what about if we do, I'm going to do a Let's Celebrate. I have so many Stampiversary cards that I need to send out this month. You guys are like, what's this? A Stampiversary is the peeps that are on my West Coast creators team. Well, they celebrate Stampiversaries. It's like an anniversary. So it's kind of based on when they signed up. Okay, so I'm grabbing my terracotta tile. Steph says flag. Okay, hi Susan, enjoy your dinner. Okay, so we've got my Stampin' Spot that came with my kit, but I'm going to put that aside because I don't need it. Because I do have my full size one here and I don't want to waste the little one if I can wait. Now, we are going to do something else. I'm going to show you this little trick I have. I have a horrible time with my eyes lining up a stamp when I'm stamping white on white. So what I do is I put them over top of a color. So in this case, we're just using one of the card bases, okay? I'm going to come in here, Tap, tap, tap. And we're going to celebrate. Okay, we'll do both. There. Let's celebrate. Because now, you know how I cut that piece with what's it called? Stitch shape die. Well, I've got the other half of it, so I can just grab some terracotta tile paper and I can make another one of these quite easily. So kind of 2 cards from 1. Okay, so we've got those. Now we're going to get rid of this. Let's pull this guy back out. Okay. So Steph says flag, so we're going flag. Now, you know what we could do? Just a sec. Steph, watch this and tell me what you think. Oh, wait. I'm going to have to grab something for this. Oh, I'm going to make a mess. There's going to be stuff. Oh, whoop. I just lost stuff on the counter. Sorry. Made it the cabinet. Well, Cora, the drive was a little bit of a nail biter. Do you see my super cute trimmer? That's got a piece of paper stuck in it. My super cute trimmer is the one you get for free when you sign up. Okay, so starting January 3rd, if you join my West Coast Creators team, and then I'm making you your Stampiversary card, you get this trimmer for free in your starter kit. Okay, so watch. We're going to chop 1 flagged edge off. Isn't that convenient? I didn't have to pull in a massive trimmer. Okay, so next thing, is we're going to come in here, and I am going to put, I'm going to line him up with there, so I'm going to put dimensionals. I think I'll just do 2. I'm going to put them towards the bottom of it, too, in case I have to tuck him. Hi, husband. Hello. Everyone has to creep around here when I'm Facebook Living because Sean just said she yells at us. That is not it. He is full of it. I do not yell at them. It's more that my craft room's in the loft, so I'm kind of in their space. Okay, and then the boys are gaming behind me. Let's put that. I love it. That looks so good so far. Okay, super happy. Next, I feel like... Now, I don't feel like these are going to show all that well. Maybe I'll stick. Should we put leaves in or should we just forget leaves? Yeah, I think I might forget the leaves. Where do I put that leaf back now? He doesn't do it for me. Okay, I'm like, he's already got green below him. We don't need it. So we're going to go there and then I know what I will use. Where's the gold? Let's see what we have left here. So this would have been from one of the big ones, right? So I'm going to do... Are they picking on you? They're totally picking on me. See, Sharon says, shame on you. He says, don't worry. He's sure that I'll yell at him later. Sharon knows Sean. She's not Sean. Okay, so we're going to sneak in here. And I think, notice what I'm doing. I'm cutting these guys up. We don't have to have the whole thing. Now, someone told me great advice. They said if you peel the whole backing off, it's actually super easy to get you. Oh, I love it. Okay, so we're gonna go like that. Stick up. Look. Okay, but I can cut this one into like a gajillion pieces, yes? Well, don't do that because a gajillion's a lot, but you know. Come on over here. Let's take, I think I'll take you guys here. Go like this. Okay, so we're gonna peel another one. Cor, do I yell at Sean? Corey will vouch for me. Oh no, maybe she won't. Maybe she'll vouch for Sean. She'll be like, yeah, she does. Okay, so I've got gold bits stuck to my fingers now. There we go. So let's tuck another one down. Whoops, don't break it, Ange. You have to let it off your finger first, people. You can't pull away. You can see my face in the gold part. Oh God, that's terrifying right now. Oh, look at, you can see my t-shirt that I'm wearing. Oh, there's my face. Ah! Sorry. Thanks a lot, Becky, for warning me. Okay. Considering my hair is not done, I look like complete Caravaggio. Let's grab these super sweet little rhinestones. I think I'm gonna go one big one down here. Whoops, not the right spot. There. And then I'll do another big one up there. I love you, Cor. I'm not telling that to Peanut Gallery right now because he thinks he's super funny. Okay, and then we'll stick another, can you stick it on the flower? Are you allowed to do that? Oh, you totally can stick it on the flower. Okay, hang on, let's play with these a bit. I don't really like that one where I put it. Let's put him up in here. There we go, ta-da! So super fun, you guys, and basically the only thing that I added into this was I added my die. So I just used my die and my embossing folder, and away we went, and we were set to go. Now, I mean, you could, just a second, I have more of these. Hang on, I want to find something. Now you have to wait while I dig. So these little pink flowers, We're just, I don't know. I don't know if he has a place on this card. Oh, he could have had a place on the card. Okay, hang on, watch this. Pull this up. Thank you, Chris. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna move you to there. Okay, wait. We're gonna grab, I need them, just a sec. Where are they? I feel like I had some. I have small dimensionals somewhere. Just a second, you have to hang on. Okay, not there, wrong drawer. Right drawer, okay. I knew I had a little package in here. Okay, so we're gonna grab, I always kind of have different stuff up at the lake. I don't have my full arsenal here, okay, so it's a little bit less. Okay, so we're gonna tuck you. Are you gonna fit? Oh, you will if I turn you. There, go like that. It gets better and better. Hello, Pam. Okay, so we can go like that. Oh, I like, okay, I feel the need though to throw another one of these on. So we're gonna peel this guy up carefully, peel him carefully, don't rip, because you don't wanna rip your DSP, right? Because it's got adhesive on it. So put him on there, pull him up. Thank you, Pam. Okay, sometimes paper pumpkin alternatives are super fun. Okay, because they've already done all the coordination, so I really don't have to stress too much about that. Oh, you guys. Okay, hang on. Now this one, we're going to do another one. I'll come down here, stick you on. I like it. Hi, Randy. I was thinking of you yesterday as we drove through Hope. It was not very lovely out when we went through. How many cards? Well, if you use the actual set the way it's supposed to, Susan, you would make 12 with this kit. But I'm just trying, I think I might just put that one on here. I feel like, you can make a ton more if you start just doing what I did and you add a Whisper White card base. Oh, you guys, I love it. I am so excited. That turned out so much better than I even thought it would. Okay, so there you go. There's a fabulous little alternative idea for you for your paper pumpkin kit. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back to see you again tomorrow. Now, for any of you who don't know this, I am working madly on hitting my 400,000 in career sales with Stampin' Up! And because I'm a giant nerd, I'm trying to do it before December 31st. So if there's anything you need right now, you guys, would you head to shopwithnorthshorestamper.com? Make sure you use this host code. If you use the host code, if you place an order over $25, you end up getting a free PDF from me. And if it's over $50, you get the PDF as well as a make and take pack to go with it. And always a really cute thank you card. You haven't gotten yours. Oh, Pam, see, look at me. And then I'm making alternatives. Yay, me. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.